I don't want to look clownish. I think this color is extreme. Hi guys, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be testing new makeup products by Essence. These are from the Trend Edition Pink and Proud, and in this collection we have the Strong Soapy Brow Styler, the Wonderful Baked Blush Lighter, the Brave Nail Polish, the Outstanding Body Highlighter Spray, the Powerful Curl and Volume Mascara, the Not Sorry Glitter Lipstick, and also the Unstoppable Scrunchie and Hair Clips. On the display of the brand that you're gonna see all of these products, you can also find some stickers for free. This collection is all about bringing awareness about bullying and also to make you feel your best self. I did a video about this collection on the Essence Cosmetics YouTube channel, and all of these products were sent to me by Essence for this reason. Let me know in the comments if you like the theme of this collection, and also subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. I'm gonna start off with a Soapy Brow Styler. I think this is the first time that we have a product like this one by Essence. In this little box here we have the brow soap and also a little spoolie, super cute. I like the metallic packaging of the product, and this is how it looks. You can activate the product with a setting spray or some water. Today I have used the Fix Plus by MAC to activate it and make my paste, but I have also tried it with water, so you don't need to use a setting spray. The fixing spray that I have used today is activating the product faster than water, but you can use whatever you have. So what you're doing is creating a paste. Don't make it very watery, otherwise it's not gonna stay on your brows. Been there, done that. You want this to be creamy, not watery. With a spoolie you can apply the product on the brows. I like this because it can tame my brows. They are growing downwards, they are very stubborn. Also this one is long lasting, and I'm doing a lot of expressions with my brows, as you can see, and they don't move with this product. I have also used an eyebrow spoolie by Essence to remove any excess product. This is very lightweight on the skin, however in the beginning of the application you feel it that it is setting on your skin, but after a while you don't feel anything, so it's not uncomfortable. As you can see, this product is transparent and you can use it on any brow hair, any brow color basically. My brow hair are lighter than the roots of my hair, and that's why I have also used a brow pencil. This one here is the Super Lash 24-hour eyebrow pomade pencil by Essence, and I have it in the shade 20 brown. You can use it by itself, but on me it didn't look so nice, so I needed to use also something to color them. If you have fuller brows, I think you're gonna love this product. Also, if you want to try soapy brows, this is a nice beginning. Don't forget to use this product before your foundation, otherwise you're gonna create a cakey mess here with foundation and brow soap. This is a little bit inconvenient for me because I'm always doing my foundation first and then my brows. However, this one is long lasting and easy to use. After that we have a new mascara. This one is a Powerful Curl and Volume Mascara, and this is a brand new mascara. I think this is the first time that we have a new product in a Trend Edition. Usually they have a different packaging for a mascara that you can find in the regular line, and this one is totally new. So let me show you the applicator. With this mascara we have an hourglass spoolie. As you can see, we have a fiber brush. We don't have plastic bristles. Also, this is what I have used today on my eyes. It defines the lashes nicely. However, you need to use a tissue to remove a lot of product from the spoolie because it holds a lot of it. It gives a little bit of length to my lashes, not so much volume. However, you can see that my lashes are uplifted, and I think this mascara gives a more eye-opening effect than this Lash Princess mascara. This is the False Lash Effect mascara. If you want to see a comparison review, let me know in the comments. So about the new one, this one has a creamy formula. Also, it is very easy to remove. I have used it again on my eyes. This is with 2 coats of the mascara. I think it looks very natural. The packaging is adorable. It is super cute. And here I have the Wonderful Baked Blush Lighter. This one is in the shade 1, Believe in Yourself. I really like the names of all of the products. So as we can see, we have this bulky packaging. However, I like it. I don't know, I think it is very trendy. This is the blush that I have used today on my cheeks. Once you swatch it, it looks very shiny. However, on the skin it looks very soft and not glittery or very shiny. This color is gonna look amazing on darker complexions. For my skin tone, I have used a light layer. Otherwise, it's gonna be very noticeable on me and I don't want to look clownish. This one blends into perfection on the skin. It is very natural as well. Moving on to the Not Sorry glitter lipstick, and this one is such a beautiful color. In the beginning, I was a little bit scared of this lipstick because it looks super glittery. On my lips today, I have another lipstick by Essence. This is from the trend edition My Power Is, and this is the Fire Matte Lipstick. So I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips so you can see this one. So I don't have any weird lines of the lipstick and it looks very soft on the lips. It is very glittery, but I like it. It reminds me a little bit of disco. The lipstick is not separating when I'm pressing my lips and it looks crazy, but also it makes me smile. About the texture, you don't feel the glitter on the lips, and also this lipstick is vegan. I think this color is extreme. It doesn't go with my eyes today, but okay. Let me know your thoughts about this lipstick. Do you think it is very glittery or do you like it? Next we have the Brave Nail Polish and we have a different design for the bottle. It looks so pretty. I have actually done a wear test for this nail polish and it can last for about 10 days without any base coat or top coat. I forgot to use a base coat and I didn't use a top coat because this one has a semi-matte finish. I only have glossy top coat, so I didn't want to make it very glossy. So it has this bright neon color and it looks super pretty on the nails. If I open it, the formula is very watery and it's very easy to apply on the nails. This one has a very nice opacity for a bright neon nail polish. I would like to see some more colors, definitely orange and yellow. And also this nail polish doesn't stain the nails, it doesn't make them yellowy. And these here are the Unstoppable Scrunchie and hair clips, so I'm going to take them out so you can actually see them. So these are the hair clips and they are very well made. They don't feel flimsy. Also we have this beautiful scrunchie with the bow here. This one can actually hold my hair and I have a lot of them. Also they are very long and heavy now. So I like that in their collections they always have a surprise product like this and they totally go with the rest of the products. You can use the scrunchie like this. It's super easy. Also I'm going to take out the hair clips that I have now on my hair, and I'm going to take this. I really like the shape of it. And then the other one. Ta-da! I think you can create a lot of hairstyles with this. So I changed back the hair clips. Oh, they're not on the same place. Ow, I'm cutting my hair. Let's continue with the Outstanding Body Highlighter Spray. This one goes so well with the lipstick. So let me show you how this one looks. I'm going to spray some. And this is the color that we have in the beginning. Then just spread it and oh, it smells very nice. I think it has a peachy scent. Let's see. Yes, it says peach scent. This one gives a rosy glow to the skin. You can use it everywhere basically. And we have so much product. It has some very fine micro glitter. Oh no, I have lipstick. Make sure to remove product from the inner rim of your lips. Oops, I think I removed a lot. Okay, whatever. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of this collection. I think mine is the Soapy Brow Styler because it is the first time that I have a product like this one and it is very easy to use. And you can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!